As with any proof, on number 5, you have a couple of options. As I look back at my work, I see that I have uploaded on our site. I have used a fancy form of 1 from the beginning. I multiplied both sides by 1 minus secant. I started with the left side. I multiplied it by 1 minus secant. And then went from there. I think another way we could do this is to change our secants into cosines. So here, instead of working with the left side like I did on the key, I'll work with the right side and see if we can get it to match the left. So I'm going to change my secants into 1 over cosines. Okay. And now we need a common denominator. So I'm going to change my 1's into cosine over cosine. So we have a common denominator both on the top and the bottom of our fractions. This is looking good already because if we look over at our goal is cosine plus 1 in the numerator, which we have right here, over cosine minus 1 in the denominator, which we have right there. So we just need to get rid of our denominators. What I'm going to do on the next slide is write these fractions together. So I'm going to smush the fractions on top together and on the bottom as well over the common denominators. And I'm going to write them out side by side. Okay, so I have them written out side by side. I think this helps when you're dividing with fractions to do this kind of elementary school division situation. I'm going to flip the second and multiply. So the first fraction stays the same. And now this is all multiplication, which is really nice for us. This is cosine plus 1 times cosine over cosine times cosine minus 1. So this is all one fraction now. And remember, anything divided by itself is 1, and that's why it cancels. So here we have cosine divided by cosine. Those just simplify to 1 and cancel. And we get cosine of x plus 1 over cosine of x minus 1. And that matches our goal. So it's, I think, a little simpler way to tackle this proof than I did on the on my work on the key. But you can see it both ways. Decide what you like. It's all about kind of that first move that you see. If you see a move that works for you, go with it.